Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to buy an Amazon gift card for yourself or somebody else using your PayPal balance, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on Amazon.com. All right, your extension may look slightly different regarding your region. However, what you want to go ahead and do is up at the top where it says search, you're going to go and search gift card. All right, and you'll be able to find this Amazon e-gift card. Either one of these will fit. You're going to go ahead, you're going to click on any one of these, and then we are going to choose the amount. So this will be in your currency as well. And once you're done so, you're going to go ahead and you're going to enter a recipient. If you are buying this for yourself, you can just enter your own email address, and then you can choose a delivery date, and then you can go and click on add to basket. It'll take you directly over here to your basket. From here, you are going to see that this is your basket. Go and click on proceed to checkout, and here you'll be able to choose your payment method. Now, PayPal is not available to everybody in every region. So if it is, you will see here just under other payment options, you will find PayPal as an option. You can go ahead and click on this, use PayPal, make sure that you can log into your PayPal account, verify your account, and make your purchase for your Amazon gift card using your PayPal balance. I hope this was helpful.